if you need to edit or adjust multiple work items at once, you can usually use the little checkboxes on the left side and then choose Edit Work Items. There are many actions to choose from. For example, you can adjust the pricing of your work items by cost class, aka resource class. Let's say the prices of all materials go up by 10%. You can do it by adding a multiplier of 1.1. And then you can see the difference. And finally, when you press save, every price goes up in that resource category. You can also, for example, delete multiple types of information like prices, groups, flags, and marks or amounts. Or you can mass price your unpriced work items based on another project. So if you have an empty bill of quantities, you upload the bill of quantities and then you use this mass pricing action to give a cost based on a previous estimate. It's a pretty fast way to do the bulk of your estimation if you have projects that are very similar to each other. There's also a couple of ways to add things. For example, we can add flags or marks to our rows. Let's add some marks and you can see what that means. Marks mean this green little thing over here, usually used to signify that this work item is fully checked and there's nothing wrong about it. You can also add flags if there are some rows that require more attention. And then, for example, you can use this cropping function to look for rows that have flags. And in this way, you can make your list of work items a little longer, shorter, and then do whatever needs to be done. Of course, you can also delete flags and marks if you wish to. I won't go over every single feature here. You can take a look, but if you need to adjust multiple rows, then the Edit Work Items button is your friend.